Okay,
I'm there.
Vishal, share your screen and continue the program. Okay, let me again.
Sorry, I can
Yes,
post
yes,
disable to.
yes. Now you can do. Okay, the color of the ID card is black and price is okay. Fine. Okay, we go to the next program. Now we go to the object constructor. The program name is object constructor. This is the TS file, and I'm giving the JS file. Okay, let me explain what is the TS file. Okay, now here I am taking the class student actually. Now I am taking STU code. Just now some kind of property actually. STU name, code and name. There are two types of property here, code and name. STU student code, student name, string. Now I'm taking the constructor code number, name, string. Constructor initialization here. Okay, this is called parameterized constructor actually, called code number, name, string. So these don't STU code, these are STU. So I'm using the this keyword actually here. Okay, now go to the line number 12. In line number 12, I'm taking one method called get grade. And then what I am printing student code and student name. Then I am return. Now I am creating the object. Let obj1 new student 103. That is basically the student code 103 and student name is Dev. And console.log get them. So basically we have to print the 103 and the string that name Dev. Oh, so let's run this program actually. Okay, Vishal, start the program. Check the error. Anirban, this meeting is already been recording actually.
Hello, sir.
Yes, tell me.
Uh, Done, but sir, I can't understand this program. Can you explain once?
Okay. So first of all, we are taking the class student, and then is code equals to a number and name equals to string. We are taking two parameter code and name. So basically, we have to print code and name. And here then I am taking the constructor. Constructor is number and name string. And then we are using the this keyword. After that, we are taking the grade. This is the one type of method I am taking. And then what we have to print console.log student code plus this dot stu code and student name this dot stu. So basically, this is the printing. I am to print student code and student name. Now I am creating the object. Let object one equals to new student 103 and string name. So this is the program actually.
Sir, what it is a get grade is a
It's one type of
inbuilt
method actually. Yes.
inbuilt method or we can take it.
No, you can take it.
Okay.
You are taking the method. You can give any method. Okay, now run the program. Yes. Now 103 name the waves. It's printing. Okay, we go to the next program. Now the next program is
Sir, I'm getting errors.
yes. Tell me.
It is- I'm getting errors.
Okay, Vishal, stop the share. Okay, now screen share.
Unscripted.
Oh, the previous program. This is
Yes. Denied errors.
okay. First of all, clear the terminal. Clear the terminal. Yes. Now again to write the command. Dot ts. Yes. Now write node space file name. Yes.
Sure.
The output is coming. Okay, move to the next program. Next program is operator arithmetic. Okay, now what is the TS file I am telling you? Okay, first of all, here I am taking let a equals to 100. Suppose I am taking a is the variable, 100 is the value, integer value actually, and let b equals to 200. Let c equals to a plus b. So basically, I am taking the sum of the 100 and 200. And console level, what is the c? Let d equals to a minus b. I have to print the value of d. Let e equals to a into b, and I have to print the value of e. So this is the actually plus minus multiplication and division. It will the arithmetic operation will be taken here. And let a equals to a divided by b. So 100 divided by 200 actually. This is the value we have to print in the f. After that, let a equals to 55. Then increment value. What is the increment value? A plus plus. In TypeScript, the increment value is the next number that is called 56. And what is let a equals to 55? A and double minus. Double minus means the decrement operator. So decrement operator means 54 actually. Okay, just run the program and then print this. Okay, Vishal, share your screen. Operator arithmetic. Okay, just change the variable name actually. I think you D already you have given it. E also given it. Give G. Okay, change G actually. Yes. Okay, save the program first of all, then run this. Yes. It will be M actually. Yes. And in line number 15, it also L. Line number 15. Now look, M equals to 55. It will 54 actually in the decrement. And what is the increment? Let L equals to 55 and L plus plus mean the next number will be the increment number. So that will be 56. Okay, let's move to the next one. Now spread operator I am using. Basically, you have to merge two array. That is the example. Basically, we have to merge the two arrays. Suppose I am taking one array, integer actually, 1, 2, 3, and another is 4, 5, 6. So we have to merge these two array. That is called a spread operator. Using the spread operator, we can merge the two array in TypeScript. First of all is the TS file and this is the JS file. Okay, what is the in TS file? Let's explain this. Let ARR1 equals to 1, 2, 3. First of all, I am taking ARR1, array1, and then I am taking ARR2. Let ARR2 equals to 4, 5, 6. So first I'm creating new array from existing array and let merge array because my main target is merge these two array. So let merge array equals to dot dot ARR1 dot dot ARR2. So this is called actually this line is called merge to array with the spread operator. This is the spread operator actually. And what I am printing console.log merged array merged array. Basically we are printing the merged array. So let's do this program. Yes, we shall start the program. Now do the JS file. Yes. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The array will be merged. Then now I am doing the ternary operator. The next operator is the ternary operator actually. Just like the Java, in the if-else statement you can use the ternary operator, increment equivalent operator, plus operator, minus operator, the arithmetical functions all just like the Java. Not full the Java, but just like actually. Okay, here go to the TS file and let's see let x equal to 15. I am taking let x equal to 15. After that, I am taking y, let y equals to 25. So after that, let result equals to x greater than y, then ternary operator, exclamatory. So that is called ternary. Is true or false? Just be carefully observe the line number 4. Let result equals to x greater than y, then exclamatory, true or false. Console log result. Result what? What is the result? The result is if x greater than y is 15 greater than 25, it is no, then it will be false. If it is true, then it will be true. We see in the terminal. Okay, we shall do this. Let's see what is the output. the result is false because 15 is not greater than 25. That's why the result is false. That is actually in line number 4. That is actually called the ternary operator. Okay, now I'm giving you the example of tuple. Okay, what is in the TS file? Let's start. Okay, now first of all, let EMP tuple. Let me simplify tuple. Suppose I am taking equals to Rohit Sharma 25 Java and 10001 in items EMP tuple. And here in line number 3, console.log length of the tuple items before pop is the one kind of method I am taking. I am taking for you can take anything. I am taking the example as a method. Length of tuple item before pop emp tuple dot length returns the tuple size. Actually, what is the size of the tuple? That is called emp tuple dot length. After that, emp tuple dot pop remove value to the tuple. After that, in line number 5, console.log length of tuple items after pop. After pop, what is the length of the tuple? We have to print, and after that, we have to print items emp tuple. That means basically the items. What is the items we have to print? And after that, there are 4 times, as you can see here, the emp tuple will be printed. That is called emp tuple dot push items emp tuple. That is the program. Okay, let me run that program. Okay, okay. Vishal, stop the share just for 1 second. Okay, I am share the screen so you can understand. So okay, this is the program. Okay, this is the output actually, and the TSC space file name tuple pop, and then node, and then this is the items. First of all, I am taking the items. Items emp tuple. What is the item? Item is number 25. This is the item. After that, length of the tuple before the length of the tuple before the equals to 4. After that, length of the tuple after the length of the tuple items after of is 3. And then again items emp tuple items just the item. What is the name? Name is Rohit Sharma. And then after that, what is the name? It's called Anjana. So items Rohit Sharma and Anjana. That will be print. So in that moment, I am taking the different method and different printing line. That's it. Okay, we shall start the program. And share the screen and start the program. Yes. The next is type assertion. Next example is type assertion. First of all, let me give you the code. Okay, let's understand the TS file. What is in the TS file? This is very simple type assertion. Let emp code any, and the name is string name PCS global. Let emp employee code equals to emp code, and then console of typo. That means what is the typo? Basically, you can say Java is the type casting. Actually, you can say what is the type of that. Basically, the number is integer. Basically, the one name is string. Basically, that means type of means employee code. Code is output is the number. Code is basically one number, so that's why the output is number. So this is very easy. Okay, we shall just quickly run that program. You can better to write type assertion. Mm. Mm. Okay, now next, go to the next point. This is also basically the type assertion also.
Yes, you can say output is number, but I get output is string.
Yeah, basically because what is the PCS global actually? This is string.
Yeah.
That's why to give the string. Okay, let's give the next program. This is the type assertion 1.ts. This is the another type assertion program. Here I am taking the interface student, and then name, string, ID, number, and then let student1 equals to student.name equals to Rohit, and student.id equals to 123. So this is the program. And in the JS file, what will happen? JS file var student1, student.name equals to Rohit, and student.id 123. That's the another type assertion program. Okay, and we shall start the program. Let's see what the outputs come.
Yes, sir. It is a interface, sir.
Yes, it is the interface.
Oh,
In the previous examples, we are taking the classes. Now it is the interface.
hello, sir.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, in Java, but interface is implemented in child class. So,
Hmm.
and what is here, sir, in TypeScript?
In TypeScript, this is basically one class actually, nothing else.
Oh,
Interface equal to student. And under that is name and ID to property. And let I'm taking the student one. It is one variable. That is called student, and then student one dot name taking is Rohit, and then student one dot ID I am taking 123. That's it. Actually, it will not print anything because I am not give any printing statement. I'm just let us understand the program actually. It will not print. It will just compile this particular program. Yes, that's why it is not giving any output because I am not giving any statement console.log or anything. I'm just understand the interface problem. That's it.
sir, here student
Hmm.
one equals to why here means you are writing the student.
I'm just taking student one equals to just one variable actually.
Yeah. This
The variable
means
dot name is the property, ID is the property. The student under the student interface, there are two property name and ID, and then I am taking let student one type of variable.
a reference variable.
Yes, yes, reference variable.
Oh,
It is basically just like the Java, but in some cases it is different. Okay, another example is update tuple. Actually, you can give the program name update tuple. Let's first of all give the code. Okay, now in update.ts file, update.ts file, what will happen? Let emp equals to, I am taking the two string and one integer, Debu 49 and PCS. Then emp tuple, I'm giving the blank, and then console log emp tuple. So this tuple will be printed in the elements of that array will be printed. Okay, start the program. Okay, now we are taking the next example that is called 2D array. This is the this is the last example, that 2D array. Okay, so what is in the TS file? Let me explain. First of all, var m array. Suppose I am taking the m array is the variable, defined as variable. Var m array number 1, 2, and 3. I am taking the first array is 1, 2, 3. I am taking the second array is 5, 6, and 7. In that fashion, we are taking the array in TypeScript. Just see the line very carefully, 2 and 4. After that, we are ending the number m array. Now in line number 8, console, just see, we are printing the lines. Console.log m array 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2. Okay, so this is very interesting program. Let's run this program. Okay, we shall just stop the screen sharing. Let's see the output. Okay, in 2D array, I'm taking the number and taking 1, 2, 3, and another array is 5, 6, 7, and then the back array is set. After that, I am taking 0, 0. It is the 2D array actually. 0, 1, 0, 2, the normal print, and then 1, 0, 1, 1, and 1, 2. If I print that program, then 1, 2, 3, 4, it will be print 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Basically, the two array will be print 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. That is the program. This is called the 2D array actually. In that fashion, this is called 2D array. Okay, we shall start the program. The last example. Meanwhile, Pritham, do you understand the programs?
Yes, sir.
Only one. Hello, Anirban, do you understand? Yes. The first array is 1, 2, 3, and the next array is 5, 6, and 7. Okay, we shall understand the program.
Yes, but sir, 2D array is right. First, take a square bracket and separate here.
Yes, yes. In the separate, we have to take the separate two arrays 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7.
Okay, sir. Sir, how to use your for loop?
Here you don't need to use for loop because automatically in TypeScript 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. If you give the aim array that I am taking in the reference variable aim array 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 1, 0, 1, and 1, 2, so that it will be automatically it will print. Okay, okay, I am giving the lambda function example, right? Hello, Vishal.
Yes.
Am I giving the lambda function example? Yes, I'm giving the lambda function. Okay. Okay, all TypeScript example has been covered. Okay, so today is up to this, and from the next day we will start the first hello world program in the Angular. We'll start the hello program in the Angular, the first program actually, how Angular works. And then next we will learn RxJS observable, and there are two types of forms in Angular. If you see the template driven form, another is reactive forms. Two types of forms. What is structural? Ng, if, ng for these are called the structural directives. So we all learn in this Angular, and after that we all do a CAD application. At last, actually, this is the CAD application is the project. The name is, suppose you are creating the employee database. In employee database, suppose you are giving the code. Suppose giving the data, employee name, employee ID, what is the skills of that employee, and what is the posting of that employee. Suppose I am giving you the name, ID, posting, and the skill set, what the employee has a skill set. So in that example, it is showing in the browser. It is showing in the browser. That is called the CAD application. That means update, delete. So you can manipulate with the data actually in the database. Update, delete, integrate. It is called CAD application. and delete also. Okay, so next day we will start the first Angular program. Okay, so thanks to all.
Thank you.
Thank you. I am stop the recording as well as end the session.